We so fell in love with Devens and the opportunity that created, not only for an event, but for creating this interoperability center, that we decided, let's put the stake in the ground. We'll have the Robotica event. We'll do the inaugural event in 2015. But for 2015 and all of the years beyond that, we expect to have really big events here. And we would like this to be the Paris Air Show of robots.
This event's been tremendous from a networking perspective and from an educational perspective for us to get a sense of what the trends are in the market and what the trends are in terms of the companies and the technologies that are launching, and more importantly for us, the networking events and the networking opportunities that Devens Robotica has provided to us has been stellar. So we look forward to next year, the possibility of continuing the networking, and the informational sessions have been great as well.
So what we have here today is we have 25 different sessions, and that's about 50 speakers, and we have 50 to 70 vendors here of all ranges. A few drone are here. Mostly it is robotic based and maritime based. There's a number of interesting undersurface vehicles here that have probably clandestine missions.
Unmanned aerial vehicles. Now, I don't know about flying.
This is the first event of its kind taking place near us. This is Fort Devens. Fort Devens is an important base for iRobot. We use this base for some test and evaluation of our systems. We're members of AUVSI, the mothership organization that Warren Freda is working with for this event. And it was the right thing to do, to be here to support not only AUVSI in New England, but AUVSI National, and also to show our products in this arena.
We're here specifically focused on our autonomous vehicle capability. The vehicle that you see right behind us is called Squad Mission Support System, or SMSS is the acronym. And the primary objective is to carry the equipment of our dismounted soldiers. The vehicle was in Afghanistan for 4 months, so it's a fairly mature system, very capable, with several modes of autonomous operation.
It's actually, Robotica and Devens specifically is the interoperability playground, and the sort of the cross-section of a lot of our robotics companies, in a place that you can actually demo a lot of the robots, whether it's air, ground, or water-based. It's really a nice place to get everyone together, to get that cross-section, to have robots interoperate together.
So Robotica has been a tremendous opportunity for us to network with companies in this space, and so we've had a chance to not only meet companies who are manufacturing the product, but also companies who are manufacturing the components and providing the systems for us to be able to have a better sense of what companies are here in the region and nationally, and even internationally. We've made some connections with companies that we think will be able to bring them down to our region in order to connect them with the companies who are doing this in both the marine and aerial space.
Why did you choose Robotica?
Robotica is a great venue. It's actually local to us, so it was very easy for us to come to and display and bring a broad range of our equipment. It also has the facility that will show us the different robots that are here, as well as the different talks to bring the interoperability of the robots out to the industries. So our robots save lives. They have the ability to create a safe standoff distance from an operator in an extremely dangerous situation. So I think that's what really makes our robots special.
It's really a place to bring both the commercial and the military side together all at once, ground, water, air. That's what we love about Devens, and that's what we love about Robotica.
I haven't even done, I'm still processing what I'm seeing today. I think now that people see how well this went, the richness of what we can do, I think it only can grow from there.
And I think this will help make Greater Boston the center of robotics in the nation. This event has created a lot of momentum around the IOP, the Devens Center for Robotics Testing. This is a great start for this center, and I think next year we'll see even more companies with more interesting ideas in robots.
I think there's no limit in my mind to what the cool technologies are going to be. In fact, people ask me all the time, what's the coolest technology you've done? And our answer is always the same. I don't know, it didn't happen yet, because it's moving faster and faster, and things that we don't even believe are thinkable today will be part of tomorrow's world as kids know it.
The people, the exhibitors, the demonstrations that we brought out this year have set the course, and we're looking at doubling and tripling this type of thing, and going to the environments of the water and the air and getting more and more FIRST programs and STEM programs initiated and interjecting all this so that we have that pace, that we become the SMEs for all robotics.
So we're very excited to be working with the town of Devens, the Devens Enterprise Commission, and looking forward to the future.
So anybody who didn't show up for this event really missed a big one.
Oh yeah, they did, and but this is the first of many to come, I hope. And I think Devens here in Massachusetts is a great way to a place to showcase all of these industries coming into Massachusetts, and we have a lot to be proud of.
Toggle between standard and ISO controls, so Cat and John Deere controls, they're slightly different.
Thank you.